Namaste. Welcome to Stress Less with Sneha J, Day 20 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Today in this meditation, we will learn whole body breathing. Find a quiet space, sit back, relax, make sure that your back is straight, and then make sure that your palms are touching your thighs. Gently close your eyes. Notice your breath. Notice your breath at the inhale and exhale. Another inhale and exhale. Now for the next few minutes, we are going to imagine that with our in-breath and out-breath, our whole body is breathing. So as you breathe in, imagine your whole body breathing in. And then your whole body breathing out. Whole body breathing in and whole body breathing out. Whole body breathing in, whole body breathing out. Continue to do this at your pace. Become aware of the whole body breathing in and the whole body breathing out. Notice the calm that envelops you as you feel the whole body breathing in and out. Take another whole body breath in and out. Take a whole body breath in and out. Become aware of the present moment. Notice your toes and fingers and slowly open your eyes. Now, did not that feel calm and relaxed? And it was just less than a minute or two. So this is a very simple exercise to help you calm down and help you feel that joy and energy that you can feel. These meditations and mindfulness, now that you have seen, are really short meditations, but they can give you so much of energy in such a short time, right? Write down how you felt before the meditation and after the meditation. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this meditation. If you like this meditation, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. Namaste.